Welcome to MrNussbaum.com, and thank you for watching this video on the jigsaw puzzles available. Sometimes, whether you're teaching science or history, you just need an activity that's tangentially related to either that your students can do, and these are perfect. These are bound to keep your students occupied for as long as you need them to be occupied. The only thing you need to do is have them choose what theme they want to use, and then just let them go at it. So as you see here on the jigsaw page, we have lots of different jigsaws. Okay, lots of different. We have Boston Massacre, we have the back of a $1 bill, we have a $1,000 bill, Jackie Robinson, images of countries. Here's a good one to do though, the join or die. Let's take a look at this one. Another famous woodcut. This one, I think Ben Franklin actually brought into the forefront. So if I press or click here to play, you see I have the join or die image. Now there's certain things you can have the program just make it into symmetrical blocks, or you can have your students make their own jigsaw puzzle by simply drawing on the image. So to click and drag, you see here, let's make one piece here. I think I went a little bit too far. There you go. And we can just have them make another one. And this is kind of fun because it puts students in the driver's seat. They basically make their own jigsaw puzzle. And then they'll want to try this over and over again. And then, that should do it. Let's see how this one looks. Then you click done. And now kids have to put the pieces back together. So there's one. I think this one goes here. It randomizes them. Here's one. This should go like that, and so we can play again. Oh, let's not. All right, well, let's not. Okay, let's do this real quick, and then I'll make another puzzle. If you have them play again, it gives them the exact same pieces. So you don't want to do that. So we go to make another puzzle. Now watch if I auto slice it. Here it goes. And then it makes it a little bit harder because it makes it with this grid, and students have to put the pieces in the right places. And I don't exactly know where these ones go, but it's a little bit harder. There's one, finally got one. This one looks like goes down a corner somewhere. So this one has to go here. So I can kind of put it together this way. I think this one goes there, and helps to have the border here, so at least I have a clue what I'm doing. Oh, here is, this one's got to go here, right? Nope. Let's try it. Anyway, this one has to go here. Anyway, you see how this works. This is harder, but you know, very, very fun for students, and a good sort of you know, fun way to look at history. Kind of combines history and problem solving. So anyway, your students will enjoy these. As always, contact me with any questions or suggestions. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, MrNussbaum.com.